What's up, everybody? Hey, today I'm going to be introducing you to Weedale Real Estate's newest listing here in Santan Valley at 881 East Kelsi. This 1736 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is beautiful with a nice corner lot, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's take a look. Alrighty then, there you have it. This is a beautiful home. It's just coming on the market at 881 East Kelsi Avenue in Santan Valley. Now this house right here, it's gonna go quick. So give us a call if you have interest at 480-788-0329. And always remember that Weedale Real Estate, by helping people, is our business.